Hey there toasters, today let's unbox this Godox X2T wireless flash trigger, specific for my Fujifilm camera, and the external flash that I'm gonna use for this is my Godox TT350. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you how to do a quick setup to pair with this external flash. Alright, let's do it. Alright, to start, what's in the box? It's a X2T Godox wireless flash trigger, specific for Fujifilm. And the features is TTL control, 32 channels, app control using Bluetooth, 99 wireless ID with 2.4 gigahertz wireless, maximum 100-meter range, and 1/8000 sync speed C function. Alright. So the box is, of course, the main unit and the manual. Alright, after we put respective batteries, get your flash, then press this sync until you see blinking signal there. Then press sleeve. So just to set up the channel that you'll be syncing the trigger. So for example, we use channel 3, and just to make sure you're on slave setting of the flash. Okay, after that on your trigger, press the menu. Okay, and then just scroll to the channel there, then press set, and then as you can see, the channel we chose here on the flash is channel 3, so we'll just set channel 3 on the trigger there, and then set. Okay, menu, and then here you can set actually 5 groups, but for this purpose we can only set letter A as a group of this flash, and then you can set the mode there of the flash and its power just by scrolling here. So as you can see, if I scroll here, the flash will follow, right? So I'm gonna, for example, I'm gonna set 1/1 flash power. So on the flash it's also set as 1/1. Okay, and then for testing, you can just press here. Let's test it. You see, it's already synced. Adjust the flash power, then test. That's it. Alright. You can now mount this trigger to your camera. For me, I'm using this fujifilm, so I'm just gonna mount there and use it right away. Alright, so for other functions of this trigger, so one of which is you can group it in 5 A, B, C, D, E, and then those 5 you can set separate flash power there. You can just press which group of flash that you need to set the flash power, specific flash power, and then if you press the menu, first is the scan. If you trigger the scan or press the scan, it will just show you the available channels that you can set for your group of flash. Let's just wait for another 20%. So there's an 8 available channels that you can use for your group of flash if ever you're gonna use different kinds of flashes or lights for your photography. And next is the channel. Next is the ID, which is used for specific flash ID. So they have a separate IDs for flash. And sorry for that. PC sync, delay of the flash, and then shoot. This only means if you're shooting one person versus a group of persons. Of course, if you're shooting group of persons, depending on the lights that you have, and it will drain out the battery of the trigger as well. So just pretty much the single shoot is can be useful. Then the distance, and then step. This is the stop. Group, standby, the lights here for battery saving. Then the LCD shutter, whether you will use it as a curtain or lift. Then Bluetooth, sounds, zoom. That's it. Alright, pretty much it's user friendly You can also mount your flash here as well, another flash, the on and off. And you can also use this. Here is the uh, focus assist that will be that will a guide that has a light guide here if you turn it on, but for some reason it's working on other Fujifilms. X I think that's X2T350, if I'm not mistaken. And then type C connector, and jack connector, hot shoe, and the lock. That's it. Alright, so if you find this video useful, you can always support this channel by subscribing and get notified for new videos that I'm gonna prepare for you. Alright, on to the next video. Thanks for watching.